Hello and welcome back to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I am Dustin. We're going to be looking at the most active stocks in Yahoo Finance today. I've already recorded a video about NVIDIA, but now we're going to be looking at what is called D-Wave Quantum. I honestly don't know what this is. I don't trade like this. I like building stuff for traders. I do not necessarily trade my nuts off like most of you, especially you zero-DTE junkies who are loving the vol. But if we're looking at something like this, I imagine that we are just in a beautiful period of the market. To be fair, just before I even jump into this, I just want to say I can't believe how wonderful the market is as a trader because of the high volatility. I would hope that we would not have to have such high vol that's just whipping you around. But when you're looking at something that's going from what was this? I think it was $6. Yeah, in February, this thing is at 16. I mean, what is the return here? Over 3 months, it's up 159%. Those are the kind of things that if you get them and you catch them, these can be life-changing moves. I'm not saying that they necessarily are going to be something that you're going to want to trade on a regular basis, but if you were getting in when it was flipping, if you got in, to be fair, based on my signals, I have a feeling that if I look at this, I'm going to be looking at some interesting signals that we're hitting. Like there was a bull, yeah, like I got a bull trigger right there at $7.91 on May 2nd. I mean, it's a little wonky. This is just a guy on the internet who likes to build stuff, but this is a remarkable day to have bought inside of qubits. Whatever D-Wave momentum is, I'm assuming it's quantum computing or something like that. The volatility is absolutely nuts. The reason why I say that is like, look, there was a big sell here on the third. And I would have expected that we would have gotten a bullish signal here, but I don't know why we didn't. Um, I don't know. Actually, I do because it wasn't three. It's interesting. That is a very interesting move, just based on the way that I look at my model. But if we look at what's been going on in qubits, this is nuts. I mean, you're bullish. You are well above. Unfortunately, you are well above the top of the range. I'm actually going to add this to my portfolio real quick. We're well above the top of the range in terms of, actually, no, we're not. We're not at the top of the range. We've got a little bit further to go. We're making a higher high. We're just well above our trade level. The trade level is the thing that I would say is concerning to me because it's not going to necessarily be like a magnet, but at the same time, the trade level is moving crazy fast. But today, again, you're seeing it was down 7.25%. Over 5 days, you're at 40%. Like, dudes, if you've been able to trade this effectively, like these are Lambo Ferrari numbers. Like this is 2021 crypto kind of stuff. Like you were talking about, like, I don't know, buying Polkadot the day it came out, or Solana or Ethereum or whatever it is. Like, I don't know, you're probably like on like D's nuts sort of coins, or like this is probably Shibu Inu kind of like returns. This is the type of market that you're gonna love to be in, and it may actually kill you. I'm gonna go ahead and look at my portfolio. The reason why is because I want to see how this looks in terms of, oh, it doesn't show up. I wanted it to show up. It should show up. Oh, danger. I still got to work on this. So you'll notice there'll be some bugs. Just leave them in the comments below. I'm gonna keep working on this. But if you go to the website that you can see, you can register for free as long as you have a Google. As long as you have a Google account, that is all that it requests from you to be able to authenticate, and it is currently free. But if I look at what Qubits is doing, I mean, I wouldn't buy it here, but I love that it broke the top of the range. Like breaking the top of the range can be so ridiculously bullish. I mean, this broke the range back here, and yes, the volatility completely fell, which is why the range got tight again. But that was such a great signal, like 2 months before you were going to get another breakout to the top of the range and another breakout to the top of the range, and just continuation after continuation of this bullish momentum. This is really going to be something that I think is going to continue to stay in the top most active stocks in Yahoo Finance. And again, it's going to be, in my opinion, because it has the volatility. This is the thing that's going to make traders go like ape shit. Especially if you're brand new and this is like the first market you've ever been in. This could be, again, this could be like you become a Furu or a guru online, flexing Lambos that you rented, because these kinds of moves, these kinds of gains that people are going to see in your portfolio are going to think that you're going to become a billionaire. And it's going to make you think you're going to become a billionaire. I doubt it. But tell me what you think in the comments below. If you want to use this, like I mentioned, the website is traderangeauthentication.webapp. I'll put it in the description below. Have a great day.